How artificial intelligence is transforming human development. The full journey. Have you ever wondered how much artificial intelligence is actually changing your life? Not just your phone, your job, or your online experience, but your brain, your habits, your choices, your emotional strength, and your ability to grow. We live in a time where technology isn't just outside of us anymore. It's becoming part of how we think, how we feel, and how we develop as human beings. AI is no longer science fiction. It's not just something for engineers or tech companies. It's something that's already in your pocket, your home, and even your thoughts. And the more you understand how to use it with purpose, the more powerful you become, not just as a worker, but as a person. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping human development from the inside out. We'll talk about how AI is helping people think better, feel deeper, grow faster, and live more meaningful lives. And if you stay until the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start using AI as your personal development partner starting today. 1. AI and mental expansion. Let's begin with one of the most powerful areas of growth: the mind. In the past, if you wanted to learn something new, you had to read books, attend classes, or find a mentor. Today, artificial intelligence can help you learn almost anything in platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini are more than just smart tools. They are like private tutors that work 24/7, understand your learning style, and adapt to your pace. Want to learn a new language? You can practice conversations with AI and get feedback in real time. Want to understand a complex topic like quantum physics or behavioral psychology? I can break it down for you in seconds, using examples that you can relate to. This is not about replacing teachers. It's about making high-quality learning available to anyone, anywhere, anytime. AI helps you move from memorizing facts to actually understanding how things work. And this changes everything, because real growth doesn't come from collecting information, it comes from applying knowledge in your own life. With AI, your brain becomes more flexible. You start to think faster, make better decisions, and connect ideas in ways you never did before. Imagine a world where every human has access to a personal AI assistant that helps them grow intellectually. That world is not in the future. It's already here. And the people who are taking advantage of it now, they're developing mental skills that used to take years now in weeks or even days. It's not about being a genius. It's about knowing how to ask the right questions and having a tool that gives you clear, honest, and intelligent answers instantly. That's the true power of AI for mental development. To AI and emotional intelligence. When people hear artificial intelligence, they often think of machines, cold logic, or robots doing jobs. But there's a powerful and surprising way that AI is helping people grow. It's helping us connect more deeply with our emotions. That might sound strange. How can a machine help us become more human? But here's the truth. Many people today are overwhelmed. They're stressed, anxious, burned out, or emotionally lost, and they don't always have someone to talk to. This is where AI becomes something much more than a tool. AI-powered mental health apps like Wiza, Replika, and Wobot are helping millions of users every day. They use natural language processing to talk with you like a real person, someone who listens, reflects, and guides you without judgment. You can open your phone, start a chat, and express how you feel. The AI listens. It asks thoughtful questions. It gives suggestions that are backed by psychology and research. And most importantly, it's always there, 24/7. No appointments. No fear of being judged. People who use these tools regularly report better emotional awareness, lower stress levels, improved sleep, stronger self-confidence, and even faster emotional healing. But AI doesn't stop there. Some journaling apps, like Reflectly, are now powered by AI that analyzes your writing and helps you recognize patterns in your thoughts. You can discover what triggers your anxiety, what makes you feel good, what goals matter most to you. It's like holding up a mirror to your emotions, one that gives you honest and kind feedback. For many people, this is life-changing, because the first step in emotional growth is awareness, and AI makes that easier than ever. It doesn't replace human connection, it supports it by helping you understand yourself better, so you can communicate better with others. And that's the core of emotional intelligence. Knowing what you feel, understanding why, and responding in a way that's healthy and meaningful. In a world where emotional challenges are rising, AI is giving us new ways to care for our mental health. Not by numbing us, but by helping us wake up to who we really are. 3. AI and productivity. How artificial intelligence helps you focus, prioritize, and achieve more with purpose. Let's talk about something everyone struggles with: productivity. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Notifications, emails, meetings, social media, news, pressure. Our brains are constantly pulled in 10 different directions. And yet there's more pressure than ever to be productive, efficient, and successful. This is where artificial intelligence becomes a powerful ally. Not to make us work like machines, but to help us work like humans with clarity, intention, and balance. Smart planning with AI. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your day already planned, not by guesswork, but by an AI assistant that knows your priorities, your goals, your deadlines, and even your energy levels. Tools like Motion, Clockwise, and Notion AI are changing the way people schedule their time. They can automatically block time on your calendar for deep work move meetings to protect your focus hours, remind you when you're overbooked, suggest breaks when your brain needs rest, and help you balance work and personal life. This isn't just about managing time. It's about protecting your attention, your most valuable resource. When AI helps reduce noise and decision fatigue, your brain can finally focus on what really matters. AI for goal setting and execution. Have you ever written goals that you never followed through on? AI tools like Trello AI, Todoist with AI integration, or ClickUp can help you set better goals and actually complete them. They use smart reminders, progress tracking, and even motivational prompts to keep you moving forward. But what makes them special is that they learn from your behavior. If you keep missing a task at 5 p.m., the AI might suggest moving it to the morning when you're more focused. If you always complete your writing tasks on Wednesdays, it will build your future plan around that. This kind of personalized support used to require a personal coach or manager. Now, it's available to anyone with a simple app and the power of machine learning. Focus on what truly matters. Let's be honest. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most consistently. AI can help you reflect on your values, eliminate tasks that don't align with your goals, and make better decisions every day. For example, AI note-taking tools like Mem, AI, or Roam Research help you organize your thoughts, so they're clear and useful. Smart email filters help you stop wasting time on unimportant messages. Creative AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy AI help you brainstorm faster, write clearer, and build your projects with less stress. The result? You feel less overwhelmed and more in control. You stop reacting to everything and start creating your life with intention. The productivity loop, here's where it gets even more interesting. The more you use AI to manage your time, your mind becomes calmer. And the calmer your mind, the more you can focus. And when you focus, you get better results. And when you get better results, your confidence grows. And when your confidence grows, your motivation grows. And when motivation grows, you want to grow more. This is the productivity loop, and AI helps you enter it faster, stay in it longer, and get more out of it than ever before. For AI and creativity. How artificial intelligence is unlocking human imagination and innovation. When people talk about artificial intelligence, they often focus on logic, data, and automation. But there's one area where AI is quietly creating a revolution. Creativity. Yes, creativity. The most human quality we have, our ability to imagine, design, express, and innovate is now being supported and expanded by AI. And it's not about machines creating instead of us. It's about machines helping us create more, better, and faster. Let's explore how. Writing and storytelling. Whether you're a student, a content creator, a business owner, or just someone with ideas in your head, writing is part of your life. But writing can be hard. Ideas get stuck. Words don't flow. Deadlines create pressure. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy AI, and Sudowrites are changing that. They help you generate ideas when you're stuck, rewrite content with different tones and styles, create outlines for articles, books, or essays, improve grammar, clarity, and flow, turn bullet points into full paragraphs in seconds. The magic here is not that AI does the work for you. It helps you do the work with more confidence and less stress. Writers are still the authors, but now they have a creative partner sitting beside them, one that never gets tired. Design, video, and art. Visual creativity is exploding with AI. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion can turn words into stunning images in seconds. You simply describe what you want in DA, AI brings it to life. Want a poster? A logo? A surreal painting? A cartoon? A futuristic set? You can create it without being a designer. For video creators, platforms like Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Synthesia allow people to turn text into animated videos, create realistic avatars that speak in any language, add effects, edit scenes, and color grade automatically. This is making professional-level design and video production accessible to everyone, not just experts. It's not replacing human art. It's unlocking more human expression by removing technical limits. Music and sound, even music is being transformed. With tools like Aiva, Amper Music, or you can compose background music for a video or presentation, create different moods and tones, adjust tempo, instruments, and length automatically. This is especially powerful for creators who don't have a musical background but have a vision and need the right sound to match it. Innovation and problem-solving creativity is not just about art. It's about solving problems in new ways. AI tools can help you brainstorm product ideas, invent business models, or find creative solutions to everyday challenges. For example, entrepreneurs use AI to create brand names, test ad ideas, and build pitch decks. Designers use AI to explore thousands of layout options in minutes. Teachers use AI to create fun and personalized learning activities. This kind of creative empowerment means you don't need to wait for inspiration. You can co-create with AI and get to your best ideas faster. The democratization of creativity. In the past, creativity often required expensive tools, years of training, and industry access. Now, anyone with curiosity and a device can start creating. That's a revolution, because when more people create, more voices are heard, more problems get solved, more stories are told, more dreams become real, and AI is not stealing the spotlight. It's turning on the lights for millions of people who thought they weren't creative. The truth is, you are creative. And now, you have a tool that helps you express that creativity in powerful new ways. 5. AI and the future of work. What jobs will look like and how you can thrive in the AI era. Let's face it, when people hear about AI and the future of work, they often feel one of two things: fear or confusion. Will robots take my job? Will I become useless? What's even the point of learning something if AI can do it better? These are real questions, and they deserve real answers. Because the truth is this: yes, AI is changing the job market. Yes, some jobs are disappearing or transforming. But no, this is not the end of human value. In fact, it's the beginning of a new kind of value, one that puts human strengths at the center. The rise of hybrid work. The future of work is not human versus machine. It's human plus machine. We are entering the era of hybrid work, where people use AI not to replace their intelligence but to extend it. Let's look at some real examples. A marketer uses AI to test dozens of headlines, then picks the one that connects best emotionally. A doctor uses AI to scan complex data from tests and focus on diagnosis with greater accuracy. A teacher uses AI to personalize lessons for each student based on their strengths and needs. A lawyer uses AI to summarize legal documents in minutes so they can spend more time with clients. A small business owner uses AI to handle customer questions, instantly saving hours of time and improving service. In all these cases, humans are still essential, but their role has changed from doing repetitive tasks to doing what only humans can do. Critical thinking, empathy, leadership, creativity, ethical decision-making, strategic vision, these are the real future skills, and AI helps us master them faster. New jobs are being born. It's true that some traditional jobs will shrink, but here Something exciting? New roles are being created, roles that didn't even exist 5 years ago. Think about jobs like AI prompt engineer, data ethicist, virtual world designer, AI business strategist, human AI, interaction specialist, synthetic voice designer, digital wellness coach. These may sound futuristic, but they're already real. And they're growing fast. The job market is shifting from narrow job titles to broad capabilities. People who understand how to work with AI, not just use it, will have an edge in every industry. Build your AI toolkit. You don't need to be a programmer or tech genius to be ready for the AI era. But you do need to understand what AI can and can't do. Experiment with AI tools in your daily life. Learn how to ask good questions. Adapt your skills continuously because the landscape is always changing. Great platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, and YouTube are offering courses for free or at low cost. Many are designed for people who are not technical but want to stay relevant and valuable. The most powerful skill, learning how to learn quickly, because in the age of AI, your ability to adapt is more important than any single job title. Mindset. From fear to opportunity, AI doesn't just demand new tools, it demands a new mindset. Instead of fearing change, the best professionals today embrace curiosity. They ask, how can I use AI to do more of what I love? How can I serve others better using this technology? What new problems can I solve with these tools that I couldn't solve before? That shift from threat to opportunity is the secret, because the real winners in the AI future want to be the ones with the most technical skills. They'll be the ones who ask better questions, think more deeply, and use AI as a tool for purpose. Midway, call to action. By the way, if you're watching this and this message is resonating with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me, what do you think about AI and the future of your work? Are you using any tools already? What would you like the next video to be about? Your feedback helps shape this channel, and together, we can build a smarter future. 6. AI and lifelong learning. How artificial intelligence fuels a growth mindset at any age. In the past, people believed that education ended when they graduated from high school or university. But in today's world, that's no longer true. Learning is no longer an option. It's a constant necessity for survival and success. But how can we continue learning amidst life's responsibilities, work pressures, and an overwhelming amount of information? The answer is simple. Artificial intelligence. AI isn't just changing the way we learn. It's creating an entirely new system that makes learning fun, flexible, and more personalized than ever before. Personalized learning? Everyone learns differently. Some of us are visual, some are auditory, and some need practical examples. But traditional systems often teach everyone the same way. Today, tools like Kamigo from Khan Academy, Socratic from Google, and Quizlet AI Tutor are able to understand a student's true level, delivery content tailored to their needs, teach in different ways based on their learning style, assess progress, and provide automated, intelligent feedback, and motivate learners with fun, interactive ways. Thus, every student of any age has a personal, intelligent tutor working with them 24/7. Renewable learning resources. In the world of artificial intelligence, you no longer need a classroom to learn. With tools like YouTube, plus AI transcripts and summarize, ChatGPT as an intelligent learning assistant, LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, and Udemy with personalized AI recommendations. You can learn any skill from home, get personalized learning paths tailored to your goals. Take tests that automatically assess you, receive live support when you don't understand a concept. Learning is no longer just about acquiring information. It's a smart, continuous journey of self-development. AI fuels the growth mindset. One of the most powerful ideas in modern psychology is the growth mindset. It's the belief that our abilities aren't fixed, but can be developed through practice and perseverance. AI doesn't just provide you with content, it also boosts your self-confidence through incremental progress, helps you overcome failure through constructive feedback, reminds you of your accomplishments so you can keep going, and creates a fun learning experience that makes you love learning. And the more you learn, the more you feel empowered to change and grow, no matter your age. Learning to rebuild your life. Many people today change jobs in their 30s, start a new business in their 40s, or learn digital skills in their 50s. AI makes this change easier than ever. Let's say you work in sales, and you want to enter the content design field? You can. Use ChatGPT to understand the basics of digital marketing. Use tools like Canva AI to design professional posts. Use Synthesia to create introductory videos. Watch short lessons recommended by AI based on your level, and within weeks, you'll actually start producing something new, and maybe even start a whole new career. Learning everywhere. One of the greatest benefits of AI is that it's portable, wherever you go. On your phone, in your earbuds, on your tablet, in the browser you use daily. This means that moments waiting in transit or free time before bed can turn into quick and effective learning opportunities. Over time, these small moments create significant transformation in your life. Education as a tool for inner transformation. The deepest value AI offers in education is this. It reminds you that education isn't just for work, but for a better understanding of life, building a more conscious mind and a more open spirit. You can use AI tools to learn about philosophy, psychology, history, different cultures, how the human mind works, how to build healthy relationships, how to discover your true passion. This is endless learning, and this is what makes AI a spiritual and cognitive partner on life's journey. Before we move on to the final section of this video, if you found these ideas helpful, let us know your thoughts in the comments. What surprised you the most about AI in education? Do you have experience learning with it? And what skill do you dream of learning this year? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, because the next video will be the most important yet. 7. AI and human purpose. Using artificial intelligence to live a meaningful life. What is life's purpose? It's a question we've asked ourselves many times. Some people see it in professional success, others in deep relationships, and still others in serving others or pursuing knowledge. But in a fast-paced, stressful, and distracting world, it's becoming increasingly difficult to find that purpose or maintain it. This is where AI comes in, not to tell us what it means, but to be a tool to help us discover it for ourselves. AI as an inner mirror. One of the greatest uses of AI today is its ability to help us ask the right questions with tools like ChatGPT or AI journaling assistants. You can talk to AI as if you were talking to a personal mentor. You can ask it, how do I explore my passion? Why do I feel lost? What values really drive me? It will ask you questions, help you think, and provide mental models to clarify things. Not because it knows the truth, but because it brings you closer to it. From productivity to consciousness. We live in the age of productivity. We want to accomplish, achieve, build, and win. But what about pausing for a moment? What about understanding why we do what we do? Or for whom? Or where we're headed? AI shouldn't just be used to perform tasks. It can become a tool to slow down a bit and reconnect with ourselves. Use AI to generate daily reflections. Ask it to summarize your thoughts in your journal. Ask it for suggestions for thoughtful books and videos that fit your lifestyle and values. Ask it to design a daily routine that balances work, rest, and reflection. Thus, technology becomes a means to living a deeper life, not just a faster one. Human plus intelligence equals ascendancy. A meaningful life isn't a life without challenges. It's a life in which we choose how to respond to those challenges. Artificial intelligence doesn't eliminate us, It enhances our humanity when used consciously. It helps us say no to what doesn't matter. It frees up time and energy for what truly matters. Family, friendships, art, volunteering, meditation, dreaming. By eliminating repetition and noise, AI gives us the space to live authentically. AI as a force for good. True progress isn't just about becoming smarter, It's about becoming more conscious. AI can be used to build a brighter future, but only if we lead it with the right values. It can be used to solve problems of poverty, health, and education. It can help children learn, the elderly gain independence, and the sick heal. It can build more just societies, only if more humane people use it. And here comes your role. You're the one who learns, evolves, and thinks. Will you be a user or a leader in this new era? Conclusion: a journey begins now. Life may not be simple. We may not have all the answers, But now, we have more powerful tools, deeper dreams, and a real opportunity to live life differently. Artificial intelligence is not the end of the road. Rather, it's the beginning of a new chapter in our journey as humans. So don't be afraid of change. And don't expect to be perfect. Start with what you have, from where you are, and with your intention. Call to action. Video conclusion. Did you feel that this video was not just informational, but an inspiring experience? If so, share your thoughts in the comments. What part resonated with you the most? What is the first thing you will implement in your life using artificial intelligence? And what topic do you hope our next video will be about? If you're interested in shaping your future intelligently, subscribe now to the channel and activate the bell. Because in this community, we don't just watch, we make a difference. Step by step, idea by idea, heart by mind. Thank you for your time. The future begins now.